Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing the silver play button. So, like again, just set you right there. Oh, set you up. This time I will set you up hang on guys, just a minute. Okay, I'll move that. I'll set you up right there. Then you can actually see me. Guys can see me. Okay, so we're going to be drawing the silver play button. So, first, I'm just going to use a pen. So, we're going to draw the base.
Our mini movie started to get out of control way back in our 23rd episode. That's when we took our noble Bonneville out to the stockyard. We all know who won that showdown.
Okay. I want to draw something in the shape of that. Just like that. Then we're going to need to go to the middle and draw like a sideways triangle. And then you can just color it in like that. Feels so good to be alive. Sorry about that. Sorry guys, I sing that song. I have the Peanuts movie stuck in my head. But, like I said, you just want to color, well, you need to color it in lightly, otherwise, if you're drawing on paper, you are gonna be making a hole. So, you just want to be coloring through here. Guys, sorry about the light flicking off. So, just want to keep coloring this in lightly, like I said. Just go over it a couple times and move on to the next section. Yes, guys, I'm using this in sections. Okay, and then we can draw another one for that section. Let's go again.
Don't see your truck and dad. That's the new one. Find out wait for me.
Okay, guys. There is a silver play button. May look a little black right here to you guys. And if I actually turn the page back, kind of made a little accident right there. Could have ruined my paper, but you know, drawing stuff happens.